Hey guys, this is me, Triple Two Tarot. Welcome on my channel, Triple Two Tarot. So I'm gonna do very quick coronavirus. This outbreak, the whole world is going into a panic and pandemic situation right now. Quarantine, people are really going frustrated and panicked that what is happening in the world. So I really want to do this quick reading that what is happening and what we will overcome through that, any advice, any challenging, and how long it will stay in the world, and how many countries or peoples will affected on this. Okay, anything I will get on my intuition, and I can give you the guidance here, because a lot of people are really in the emails and messages are requesting me that please do this corona thing here, because now it's spreading in Asia more. First it was in Europe and the Western countries, and now it's coming into Eastern countries. So I really want to know that what is happening. I already meditate and shuffle the cards here and put it here, but now I will put in front of you. I will just show you and what is happening here, and how much damage we will see in the world, and how we can do to control this. Okay, any advice intuitively which I will pick up, I will definitely share here in front of you. So yeah, let's pray out, finger crossed, and let's see what is happening here. Okay, let's see the situation right now, what is happening in the world here. So we have Nine of Cups, the Devil. Definitely it's affecting, it's increasing day by day. Knight of Pentacles, the Lovers, Ace of Wands. We're not doing love reading here. Okay, this is just corona reading here. This is my intuitions, guys. Okay, just a general reading, just to get more my inside with the tarot and intuition and psychically, that what I can see. And this is the outcome I will definitely pick up at the end. So let's start here. Right now it's really spreading the worldwide. Nine of Cups. Okay, this is really getting strong here. Nine of Cups, it could be right now it's really rapidly spreading in 9 countries. Okay, we can see that the 9 countries are affected right now. It could be in there, like there is, it's spreaded already in the 9 countries. Okay, the Devil here, then 2 countries will be really right now affecting, and we know that one is China, the second is Italy, and also other countries too. But these 2 countries are really going into trapped. It's out of control, right? But right now these 2 countries are affected by really got damaged by this corona here with the Devil energy. This corona, I feel here, virus is really strong here, as we are expecting. This is something strong. This is like we are bound in the chain here. We need to get out. Knight of Pentacles, this is really slowly but surely it's getting out, it's releasing, and we are overcoming through that. But it will go and just blown away, not right away. Okay, it will definitely slowly but surely, with our protection, with our care, we can do it. Okay, that's what I'm picking up. It's slowly, it's moving, it's removing here. We are getting control of it. Then we have the Lovers here. This is like couples, partnerships, and peoples. I feel that the more peoples are affecting that who are not doing protection here, and this could be like more peoples will be affected who are couples. There, if one person is definitely affected by this corona, the other person will be do it. Obviously, this could be your friends, this could be your anyone that you are living together, if you have that. And this is also going into advice that maintain your distance. Okay, maintain your distance until this thing will not and obviously take care of yourself. If you are doing some some sexual energies in the couples and marriage couples, just maintain your distance right now. It's really important. Control your desires. Sexual desire, to be honest, because it's really affecting here. I'm also picking up with this, the Devil and the Lovers here, because this is the same thing here. I definitely strongly feel here, I hope I'm not right, but it's here with the 2 damaged countries here. There will be 2 countries more that will be affected. Okay, and also 2 countries will be there who will definitely recover that, and they will recover that. The damaged countries, they will recover it. This is also, but it will definitely, a loss is there, we know that. But I'm picking up 4 countries damaged very well, strongly 4 countries. I don't know what they are. 2, we know that there will be 2 countries more that will be getting more damaged, but we know that right now it's in the 9 countries. I'm picking up like 9 countries, 9 states of 1 countries or areas. Something is there with the 9 here. Okay, then we have Ace of Wands. I feel that we will overcome through that with our protection, with our care, and with passionate, the united we stand. We have Ace of Wands. So definitely this is talking about 1 here. If we behave like a 1, if we will take care of each other, take care of our society, and we will take care of being a one nation, being a one peoples, being a one humanity. Just think about humanity right now, okay? Don't think about what this person caste, a religion is, a country is. Don't think about it. Right now, we just need a one mind, one heart, and one. Definitely humanity. We need humanity. We just need to be stand like one. We are one. The whole world need people to stand up like this, like we are here. We are one. We will definitely overcome through that. What I'm picking up here. Then I have Queen of Swords energy. I feel that this is really needed here. People are working also on this to control. This is like scientists and people's meditations, medical fields, and people are really working on this to overcome through that. Nine of Wands. As a society, as a civil people, we need to protect ourselves, okay? And we need to follow those guidance and instructions that they are telling us, okay? And be smart about this. Knight of Swords. Be smart about this. Be wise about this, okay? They're definitely telling us this is not a curfew. This is care for you. That's what I'm picking up from this energy. You really need to definitely, guys. You really need to follow that instruction that government and your society is giving you. It's really important right now to take care of us, maintain the distance, and follow our definitely intuitions and be wise about it, okay? And take care of also other people's. It's really important. I feel that meditation fields are really working on it, and they will do it. They will definitely control this damage, but still we need some time. It could take some, I feel here, I don't know why I'm picking up again and again, 1 year. Could be 1 year and 9 months. It's really needed here to overcome through this, but I feel like it will slowly go. You can see that it's slowly moving from the universe and the world, really slow. But yeah, we can overcome through that. We will prove it that we just win it. Now let's see from the outcome, this the final card here, that how things will go on out. Wow, we have the Chariot. Look at this, overcoming through challenges, warrior. Wow, we are warriors. We will prove the world that we can do it. We will overcome through that. The Chariot, definitely we will overcome through that, and this thing will be vanished. Again, the Chariot is ruled by Cancer. Cancer is definitely, could be, this is like a number 7 here, 7 months, 9 months. I feel that the vaccines and meditations, protections will be definitely invented, because with this Ace of Wands here, in 9 to 7 months, definitely. But after 1 year or within 1 year, it will be over control here, okay? Now I really want to get some angels guidance here for this more protection and guidance for all of us. For this unlikely, yeah, right now this situation is not going anywhere. We need to protect ourselves. We need to protect, definitely. This is unlikely right now. It's not, I'm not saying that this thing is going very soon, no. Let's see what more here. We have perfect timing. I told you this will happen. This will happen, guys. We will overcome through that. One more, please. One more, please. Then we have Romance. It's mean that it will be over very soon, definitely. We will overcome through that when we will be united, when we will work as a nation, when we will work together, when we will do and help each other, as a nation, as a people, as a humans. Definitely we will overcome through that. This is definitely, I'm picking up, we will overcome through that. But this is definitely affected by 4 countries very strongly. 2 damaged countries already. We see that it's like increasing of death rates and something. I'm so sorry for their losses, but I feel here this is intuitive reading. I just pick up for coronavirus.